Yeah, Sirski. Yeah, Sirski. New gaming chair. Yeah, Sirski. Video coming soon. What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2Ts, back with another video. So I'll tell y'all right away, y'all seen my one video on my channel. I had a new gaming chair that off-white. I ended up giving that to my daughter because I didn't like the bolsters on the leg part. This was more of a manly chair. The bolsters are laid down a little bit more and it's more comfortable. And you guys are gonna see that. You're gonna see it. I'm gonna show later edited video of it. But I just want to get into the unboxing so I can get this part done. And here we go. It's by BOSSIN. So open it up. Now you can find this chair on Newegg, and the price is within the $200 range. Okay. So sit it on my daughter's table. She gonna have a fit. She can come out and see that on her table. But cut this light off since I opened this up. All right, oh, I can already immediately tell this is gonna be better than my other chair. No plan. No plan. Yeah. Yeah. The BOSSIN pillow. What I want to take out here. No plan. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, definitely. Padded. That's sweet. You always trying to come video bomb my videos. Move out of the way.
Even when I was a baby, I did that.
Shush. What kid I had didn't? Another one. You can see. It looks like it's not that hard to put together. Same padding for this area. I knew I was getting a good one. My wife actually picked this one out for me. As you can see, dang, another pillow. So another pillow, I guess that's neck or something. I'll look at the instructions. It's another pillow. Woo. See, now that's what I'm talking about. Now this is a man's chair. I'll show y'all what I mean by that. This ain't no little boy's chair, no little 140-pound dude chair. This is a big boy chair. No playing games. Oh yeah. And it got the, oh yeah. You can recline. Oh yeah. Come on, man. I ain't playing no games. Woo-hoo. Y'all are so sweet. I got it, baby. Woo-hoo. Boy, BOSSIN. That thing is nasty, son. Oh man. Just making sure. Don't want no problem. All right. So that's the top. Then it got the. I know that ain't. I know it ain't broke.
No, that's the bottom, Dad.
I know it ain't broke. I'm gonna have to call the company because it came with one broke leg. I don't know how I got broken shipping, but this is the part. This is like the mechanical part that goes underneath it. And I think it'd just be a matter of calling them and telling them one of my pieces was broke, because I'm pretty sure it comes with a warranty. And then this fits on the legs. You always got that word when it's the holiday and then shipping stuff that something will get broke. This is the front piece that goes to the chair. It's padded. This is what your feet come out on, that piece that slides out from underneath the chair. What, baby? So those are all the pieces. That's the unboxing. Nothing else in the box. You see it says BOSSIN on it. And don't think that when you order stuff that it's always gonna come with no parts broke. And that's kind of like what the chair looked like in the company. I mean, this takes the value of it down because it didn't come with all the pieces working. So I'm gonna have to call the company. Still, I'm gonna put the chair together and everything, but as far as the bottom, I'm gonna have to wait to assemble that part and get the other part. But that's the unboxing. I'll probably come back with a later video that'll show me editing and finishing this up, and a working leg, because actually the leg is not even in there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Sub, like, and comment, and I'll be back with the next part of the video. All right, what's good, Ghost Gang? I already did a further part of the video showing up close and personal about the chair, but there's one thing I did not reveal. It has a pull out, recline. You can see it there in action. You can kick your feet up. Yes, sir. So I wanted to show you that before I got into the rest of the video. It just folds away like that. There you have it. What's good, Ghost Gang? Back in the saddle again, as you can see. I got my new chair. I wanted to share it with you guys. And here you have it. I've had it for probably about, probably like a month, somewhere between a half a month to a month. I just want to show you some design. Come in, Sierra, come in. Look at the wheels. See how the wheels are made, like kind of like airplane wheels. Got the little niches here. You can see it got a nice base post here. I got the settings for to drop the chair back, and when you drop the chair back, this part reclines with it, so your arms will also still be there, and then it has the lift up and down. And you see it has the designs throughout the bottom of it. Got the nice red on the pads, black part of the seat. The leather quality and the way it's made is probably, that can slide down on. And I got even one more piece. Hold on, I'll get that piece. It has this piece that goes in the middle. When you put it on, you can put it down around the bottom of the chair. You can slide it up and down. It has that. I already showed y'all the unboxing early on in the video. I have been meaning to put this video together a long time ago, but I've been so busy doing other videos that I didn't get a chance to finish this one. The price range for this was between $120 and $150 for this chair. The leather build quality for this is, I'll give it probably an 8 out of 10. The leather quality, and you know, I'm a big guy. I'm like 260, 275, somewhere in there. I don't want to give you my exact weight because, you know, I fluctuate. You heard? Y'all fluctuates, you know? Nah, but this seat, I haven't really started seeing any ripples in the leather and stuff. I'm pretty sure it'll come over time, which isn't a big thing. Anything you sit in, after a while, it's gonna wear. It's natural wear and tear. The leather quality of it is probably, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It's not the highest grade. Some of the highest grade leather that doesn't crack and everything is probably in that $300–400 range for the gaming chairs. It's very comfortable. It will get the job done. I will have a link to the actual place where I actually ordered this from, where you guys can go and order it yourself if you want this. It's by BOSSIN. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video I put together for you guys. Y'all make sure y'all keep showing your boys some love. I'm out here. You see how we do. I guarantee you I'm the coldest graphics tee wearer out here, man. Like, I got every graphic tee you can think of from every category, man. A genre for X-Men, you know, Batman, Superman. I love all of them, man. I love comics, period. But you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope it was very informative for you guys. I love you guys. And Ghost Gang, we out.